Connector followed by a noun phrase, a pronoun, or a gerund. One because of this conjunction is different from the conjunction because. Because of is not followed by a sentence. For example, they have had problem raising cash because of the credit crunch. Due to and owing to. They are considered by many speakers as excess equivalents, but this is not so because due to is adjectival, it follows a noun or pronoun, whereas owing to if adverbial it complements a verb. Compare these two examples below. The game was cancelled owing to heavy rain. The cancellation of the game was due to heavy rain. If you are doubtful as to which of these you can use, here's a trick. Try to substitute to if you are doubtful to with caused by and see if it works. The game was cancelled caused by heavy rain. It does sound correct, so it's not possible to use due to in this case. On the other hand, the cancellation of the game was caused by heavy rain. Sounds fine. Owing to is integrable with because of. For example, the game was cancelled because of heavy rain. 3. On account of. This conjunction has a similar meaning to the two, because of and owing to. For example, the nurse had to keep the baby in another room on account of my illness. 4. Thanks to. It suggests that 3 is some cause for gratitude, though it can be used sarcastically. For example, thanks to my fitness coach, I am now much stronger and healthier. This sentence indicates that the speaker fitness coach was responsible for his improvement. This shows that thanks to has a sincere positive connotation. Thanks to my little brother, my phone is broken. This sentence indicates that the speaker's little brother broke the phone and the speaker blames him for it. It shows that thanks to has a sarcastic negative connotation. Konektor diikuti oleh kata benda, frase kata benda, kata ganti, atau gerund. Seperti karena, yaitu konjungsi ini berbeda dengan konjungsi karena tidak diikuti oleh kalimat mereka.